So Desmania is one of the pioneering design studios in India. We started out in way back in '93 as a design company, but in 2010 we decided to bring in the best of automotive design in India, and we built up a very good infrastructure and facility in Manesar, which actually talks about full-scale clay modeling, prototyping, and full designing. So all the creative stuff is something which we do at Desmania. It's a one-stop shop where you can actually come with a design brief and you can actually convert this design brief into concepts, which starts with sketching, understanding the user requirement, and then go up to surfacing, digital modeling, and making full-scale mock-ups, which could be used for validating the design. So we work with largely all the OEMs. We work with many startups. We are working a lot in the EV area for creating new concepts of mobility and such things. So Desmania is a one-stop shop for any kind of a design requirement. We started this business way back in '93. It's a 32-year-old company, but Automotive Studio came up in 2010. And in last 15 years, I think the automotive business is contributing almost like 50% of our business. So we are doing commercial vehicles at a smaller size. So we have done trucks, for example. We have worked with Eicher, Volvo, Ashok Leyland and such kind of companies. And we are also working a lot with the startups, because startups have a different concept about the commercial vehicles, which are in the area of cargo, smaller size vehicles, which can go up to larger masses, and to the fleets. So we are doing a lot of work on that, and we are definitely looking at a user-centric design where the driver comfort and the people who are using the vehicle, their comfort is taken into account. So design brings in a whole lot of, apart from style and the looks, it also brings in a lot of comfort, user friendliness and usability in the product. Ergonomics is an important part of it. And we also integrate new technologies for making people's life more comfortable. Totally Indian company, but we have a few partners for which we don't share any stakes in the company. So it's a 100% Indian company, but we definitely have certain partners in Europe and outside India. So see, being in India, we understand this whole philosophy better, because it's a very culture-centric thing. We want something best out of bare minimum inputs, and we understand it pretty well. We have to optimize our whole design process. We have customized it for the Indian OEMs, and we do it faster, we do it better. And we've always been raising the bar, So typically, like any other services which India offers, we really give value for money to our customers. So this year is going on fairly okay, though last year was much better. This year we are seeing a few dips here and there, but definitely we are very optimistic about it. We still have 3 months to go, and there are many projects which are lying, and we see a big market. And Auto Expo is actually, Bharat Mobility rather, has given us a good fillip to us for getting new projects. So we are quite optimistic about it. So earlier it was very tough, but now I think it's all local talent. We have extremely talented, youngsters who are coming out from the universities and all. And they are very keen to actually express themselves through such kind of design studios. So I think it's becoming better. The whole ecosystem is becoming much better. And Desmania being a very fertile land for designers, so they learn very fast and they are able to give very good output. So this year we have decided to go global. So we have also hired a team which will take us to the global clients. And our intent in next 3 years to get at least 50% of our business from the global clients doing projects from overseas. So right now it will be like 10 to 20%, which comes from the global clients, but now we are aiming at much higher.